Piraking Studio. My wife just gave me a special assignment. Urgent repair the zipper on this wallet. Is this your wife's wallet? Change it to a new one. Don't be too stingy. Here is the thing. There is no favorite product in the physical store. Online shopping takes too long to prepare. That's a weird reason. I don't know, just fix it. Check what's the problem. Take the change out of it. Just late. That way everyone should watch more ads. It turned out that the teeth did not engage properly. Pull it like this, the zipper won't close. In fact, in such a situation, the zipper head can be camped to improve. Camp it with needle nose pliers and see if it will work. Move the zipper head to the button stop, then clamp it. Put back to the end. You see the zipper is up. Amazing, right? When we pull the zipper head up, the throw presses the teeth in edge with each other. When unzipping the zipper in reverse, the teeth will loosen through the throat. The diameter of the zipper head will be deformed after using it for a long time. This will cause the gap between the rail to increase. As a result, the chain teeth cannot be changed. What to do if the zipper pull break? Now the zipper head is sold on the internet. Once you're done, you can add a little wax. Since there is no soluble wax, use wooden working wax. Peregrine, you're doing weird experiments again. Speak quietly, don't let the photographer hear. But this oil too soft and a bit out of place. It doesn't seem to work better than candles. But the work is done anyway. Now let's try it out. Wow, it's amazing! Kids cheer! That's right. That's how cute kids are supposed to. It can be used for a long time after this treatment, so it doesn't matter how long the stocking period is. Ask the photographer which one you want to buy. Take a look at what you buy.
说好了，我不买了。
What? You don't buy it? Although I don't quite understand her logic. But the wallet is fixed at all. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Piraking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.